quickly introduce yourself, Indrajit, in like 30 seconds. Quickly.
Uh, my name is Indrajit Vishwas, and I am from West Bengal, and I am pursuing bachelor degree in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. And my hobby is playing cricket and also listening to happy music. And
Great.
I want to be a great engineer near future.
Wow. So you are really interested in the kind of study that you're doing, whatever studies you are pursuing. So you're
Yes,
interested in that. It's
yes.
kind of, is it a passion of yours to fix things and be an engineer?
Uh, yes, I want to some decent job from my field.
All right. Okay, great. So, all right. So after engineering, you would be, let's say, if you get like a really nice placement and you're offered a job which pays you too much, maybe let's say beyond your expectations, um, and you would have like a lot of money today. So it's kind of a situation that you can think, you can imagine that you have a lot of money with yourself, and more than you expected actually, and you have enough to give away. Okay. So who would you give it to? So who would you help and how?
I help first animals before people because I see a lot of animals there in the street. They are, especially winter, they have no proper shelter. So that's why I really help them. And then, and also I will repay my all the debts. Yeah,
Okay.
and I want to do with my money. I want to fulfill my dreams like
Great.
that.
What are your dreams? Tell me more about that. I'm
Uh,
really interested in knowing about what are your dreams.
Oh, buying a nice car and having a own house. That's it. At least.
Great. That's really nice of you. So you said you would help the street animals, right?
Yes, yes,
You feel
obviously.
bad for them and you want to help them. So how do you think, the first step you would take towards helping them?
Actually,
What would be your first step that comes to your mind? I'm myself is an animal lover, and
oh,
how do
wow.
you think you would do to help them? So let's share some thoughts.
Oh, yeah. Actually, I am sheltering. I do not have any pet, but I am sheltering two local dogs. So,
Oh,
and also the other neighbor of my area shel- uh, sheltered the rest of dogs. So it is really nice. And yeah, taking some dogs, if I am not able to take a lot of dogs, but at least one or two dogs. But if the all the initiatives like me are taken by our neighbors, so it would be a great help for them especially.
okay, okay. So I said, what would be the first step that you would take? You would say you would foster them. You would just give them a shelter, right? A,
Yes,
a roof
shelter.
over their head. Great. Okay. And what else? So you are just a dog lover. You're not an animal lover. You love dogs.
Oh yeah,
You won't be
a lot
rescuing
of
any other animal.
actually a lot of dogs are here. So, but I love cats also, and also some animals.
Okay. All right. Great. I think that's, if everybody thinks like you, it's going to make a difference. Most definitely. So I hope we have more people like
Yes,
you around.
thank you, thank you.
Yeah, definitely. So you said, you would also like to buy a house and a nice car. Are you,
Yes.
so tell me something, what would you think of your dream house? How would it be like? How
Uh,
do you have, everybody has an image of the thing that they're going to buy someday, or they want to achieve something someday. So
yes.
they have this visual image of, that thing in their
Uh,
heads. So what do you think about it? Tell me, I want you to ask yourself this question that, what do you think? How will it be like? How will my house will be like? Will it be a flat? Will it be like, like
no,
how
actually, it
from
is.
the ground? How will it be like? Will it be a
Uh,
bungalow? How will it be like? So tell me more about
uh,
it. Tell me more about
uh,
how would you like spending money on your house and the car that you would like to buy one day.
oh, okay. And yeah, my house would be at least second floor, and my own house, not apartment or any flat.
Okay.
Oh, so the house is built in my yard, and it would be second floor. And also, I want to, as I told that I am a dog lover, especially dog lover. So I make a shelter for them in my yard house. So that's it. And and also I want to make a garage for my car
Oh,
in
great.
my yard.
It's where are you from? Are you from Kolkata, right?
Yes, I am from Kolkata.
You're from Kolkata, so I can't say anything much because I am from Delhi and there's no parking
Oh,
space here. Not so sure
oh,
about Kolkata if you have parking space there or not, but I think a dream house would be, in which you have a parking of your own.
yes, yes.
So definitely. Okay, great. So let me correct you, quickly two things. You said the field in which you are pursuing an engineering degree is what? If you could just repeat that.
Yeah, please tell me one second.
The field, the subjects that you're studying
Oh,
right now, the
okay, okay,
field
yeah,
in which you are, pursuing your bachelor's degree.
yes,
Could
yes.
you please tell me the field?
Oh, the department is Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Electronics and communications.
Yes, yes.
Okay, great. So I think the way you pronounced communication was kind of I think ate a few words while saying communication. So say communication one more time.
Communication.
Great. Okay, so let me
Okay.
tell you a hack here, which you can use even later. So when you, say words like these, for example, communication, which has a Tion in the end or
Oh,
Sion in the end. So you focus on the syllable before that. You know what a syllable
okay.
is?
Yeah, I know syllable. The
Okay.
part of the
So
word.
parts of the word in which how your stress on which part defines what syllable to stress, right? So you stress CA in communication. So it's not going to be communication, it's not going to be communication, it's going to be communication. So you focus on K. And in mostly all the words, in which you have like words ending with Tion or Sion, which has like the sound of shun in the end, you focus on, like, you stress on the syllable before that. It's a rule.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so you can note it down or you can just make a mental note of it. That's how it works usually. So for example, if I say division, so I'll focus on
Division.
V.
Oh,
So
oh,
it's
yes, yes.
not
Division.
division, it's division.
Division.
We should be like, most like highly stressed out of the rest of the syllables. Okay, so same goes for communication uh, can't really think
Preposition.
of any words right now. Sorry.
Preposition. Preposition.
Preposition, exactly. All
Preposition.
the words.
All the words. Okay.
Preposition, accommodation. So it's accommodation. So the words you will realize all the syllables that you're stressing on in all these words. So you have to focus on the syllable before that. It's kind of a rule,
Okay, okay.
and it's
Okay.
used like almost in all the words in English. Okay, so you can
Okay.
just focus on that. So it was not really there, but I just thought, just to share it so that
Yes, obviously, ma'am. Actually, I have
Yeah.
a problem of pronunciation.
Yeah, it's like if pronunciation is again shun. So
Pronunciation.
pronunciation, ciation. Yeah,
Creation. Okay. Creation.
exactly.
Okay.
That's how you pronounce it. So no problem. That was it about the communication part of it. I think you ate a few words while speaking, so I wanted to correct you there.
Okay.
And second floor, you meant by second floor you meant your house should have two floors,
Yes.
right? So
Oh,
second floor
so
means
so
you
first
own a
floor.
house on second floor.
Oh, so I have to
You
say
can
that.
put it, my dream house should have at least two levels, two floors.
Oh, okay.
That sounds clearer. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So okay. So you were telling me about a dream house. Now let's talk about a dream car.
Uh,
What color should it be? What
oh,
essential things in your mind do you think the car should have? what do you think about it? How the seat should be? Should it be a five-seater car, seven-seater, or two-seater?
Oh,
How luxurious do you want it to be? Tell me more
the
about it.
the car should have at least four-seater, and
Four
also
seats, okay.
four seats, and also the color would be, I prefer blue and black mostly,
Great,
and
solid colors, yeah.
and the uh, branded. I love branded branded and
Company,
company
not company, it's company, okay?
company. Okay, okay,
Great.
company, and also I love bike.
You love bikes as well.
Yes, yes, I love bike.
Okay. Do you
And
ride one?
no, no, I'm not able to ride now, but I
You want
learned.
to learn that.
I want to learn that.
Great. All the best to you for all your dreams. I hope that comes true
Thank you,
as
thank
soon
you.
as you get a nice placement. Okay, so let's talk about something more interesting now. I am giving you a situation and you have to react to it whatever you feel like. Okay, however you feel like.
Okay.
So I am giving you this power in which you can be invisible for a day.
Oh, okay.
So
Invisible.
would you be like a troublesome person if you
Oh,
were given this power, or would you be like a helpful person? Just tell me more about it. How
uh,
would you use that?
travels are, yeah, not so troublesome, but
Think about it. Take 1 minute. Think about, if you were given this power and you're already invisible, what is the next thing that you want to do? Would you want to like just, make somebody's life problematic, or would you just go and help somebody that you always
obviously,
wanted to do
obviously,
but were not able to? So what kind of thing would you, like to do once that power is in your hand, once you are invisible actually? Tell me more about it.
um, if I am invisible, then I definitely help those people who actually are getting uh, who are actually getting attacked by the hooligans or something like that people. So, and also I uh, I will go anywhere, and also I attack those people uh, who are not so good people, and who are actually, I want to prevent some thieves to do do their jobs actually.
Their job.
I
You
mean,
want to
job
eat
means
somebody's job.
no, job means
That's not
just
their job.
what they
That's
do.
what they choose
Yes, yes.
as a job, right?
And
Okay.
I want to prevent all the uh, hooligans activity,
All right. All the criminals, you're just going
criminals
to.
activity.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I am going to punish
So,
them.
sorry?
I am going to punish them.
You're going
If
to
I
punish them. How? Will you be like a superhero? Would you like to be a superhero and just punish them? How will you punish them?
oh yeah, uh, I I catch them I catch them, and I uh, I went I I forced them to go the police station.
But you are invisible. Indrajit, you are
Oh,
invisible.
so
You're forgotten that you're invisible. You're just so
oh
busy
yeah.
in helping people that you're forgotten that you're invisible.
Oh, invisible. And I frighten them, and I also uh,
You basically would, okay, let me help you with this. So basically, you would like to just scare them to an extent that they won't be able to do that again because you are invisible. You can use that power to actually, scare them, to
okay, okay, yes,
have,
yes, yes, yes,
to,
exactly, scared.
right? So you can do that to them when you are invisible. And also, you can actually, you can actually have, because you will have this aura that you're invisible and you can do anything. So if they do something like that for the next time, you're gonna come again. It sounds like a 5-year-old child story, but that's how it is because it's, invisible power.
Yes. Invisible, invisibility.
That's great. Your thoughts are absolutely valid, and I think you make sense totally that you will frighten them and whatnot. So I think that makes all sense.
Thank you.
Okay, tell me, if you learn English, you
Okay.
you learn English, and will you have more opportunities? Do you think learning English helps you, uh, you know, grab more opportunities and help you excel in your career that you wouldn't be doing if you were not really an English learner, or would you not really knew how to speak English? So, do you think English helps?
Yeah, English is really important to me because I want to improve my personal growth. And so in India, and all the cases that that if you know English besides your skills, then you should hire fast. And it, I think that it makes me more smart. Actually, I don't think that I do respect all the languages because I am Bengali, but it all the exams are held in English. And also all the, if you want to travel abroad, then you have to know the language English. So that's why English is very important to me, and I want to learn it as well.
Okay. I would just like to correct you again.
Yes.
You said absolutely the right thing. English is the most commonly used language, widely used language, no matter where you go, no matter if it's an English speaking country or not, everybody requires English because, everybody, it's the most used language after all.
Yes.
So and as you said, beside your skills, if you have this skill, of speaking English fluently, then I think that helps you, uh, you know, opens like a lot more doors for you. Definitely, I agree with you here. Okay, so two things that I would like to correct you here are, one thing is you said people hire you, so you can use it in a better way and say you will be hired. You will
Okay.
be
I
hired by companies. You'll be hired
Okay.
by,
I am hired.
right? Makes
Yes.
more sense. And you said more smart. So
Yes.
when you say smart, and if you want to use a better version of it, like a more comparative version of it, it's smarter. It's not more smart.
Oh, more smarter.
Okay, so you can replace it with
Oh,
smarter.
smarter. Okay. Okay.
It'll
Smart.
make me smarter in terms of intelligence
Yes.
or knowledge. So yeah, smarter. Okay. I think we had a good conversation. Are you ready for the
Yes.
feedback? So I what I realized about you was you want to learn more. You make mistakes a bit, here and there. For example, while structuring a sentence, right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
you don't really get enough words to use them, and that will only come with practice. So just keep
Okay.
practicing, 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 and you will see the difference. If not in 1 or 2 days, definitely after a week, definitely after 10 days, you're going to, see the difference yourself. It will be like, there, it will be visible, it will be evident enough. Okay. Second thing is just be okay. This is something that I tell to everybody, and because 90% of people do that, that's what even I have realized. So what happens is when we try to speak in English, we take English too seriously, as if somebody is going to judge us on the basis of that. Almost like, oh my God, I don't know this. Is it a crime? Am I doing it right? Am I doing it wrong?
Yes. Yes.
So don't be scared of the language. It's a language.
Okay.
You can speak it maybe in a better way maybe later, but don't be scared of it. Try to learn it more and more. Don't be scared of it. It's not rocket science, and for an
Okay.
engineer like you, I'm sure enough that it's not going to be a problem at all. So it's just a language, so just take it easy. Even if you're not able to put your thoughts together, take 20 seconds of your time, take 30 seconds of your time, gather the right words which are there in your head, and then go ahead with them, then put it forward. So that's how I would like to convey the message to you, that don't be scared of it, first of all. is just a language. You're going to take a bit of time and a bit of practice, and it's going to be all right. You're going to be better at it in no time. Don't worry about that. Second thing, whatever you're trying to say, whatever, no matter what, how much knowledge of the language you have, no matter what you're talking about, uh, just be confident about it. If I'm asking you a question like, you have this power in your hands and you're invisible, what would you do? You should be excited about it. You should, because you have the power. I'm just, putting you in a situation which is imaginary. So you should have, the thought in the back of your mind that, okay, this is something really exciting. Let me just be confident about it. The moment you turn, the fear into the confidence, and you have to tell this to yourself. Nobody will tell it to you. So I'm telling you, just, as a person, just tell yourself that, oh, I have this power. So just feel what you're talking. So it will
Yes.
automatically, make you feel more comfortable with the language and more confident within yourself. Okay. So that's going to make a lot of difference. Just try that the next time.
Okay.
Of course, if you're talking, if I'm asking you a sad question, if I'm asking you a, something that is not really happy, or maybe not really, it's a sad situation. So, you can be confident about it, but you can't
Okay.
really seem to be like happy about something like that. But of course, when we are talking about giving you a superpower, you can be all excited about it, and you just
Okay.
feel that you have the
Yes. Yes.
superpower and just turn it into confidence, and then put it forward. It's going to
Okay.
help you in a lot of ways.
Okay.
Be confident. Yeah, don't be scared of the language. Just talk more and more and more, and you're
Okay.
going to rock it. Don't worry about that.